Okay, our last very quick thing is the change of base. Now the problem with your calculator is that it doesn't have a button for like log base 2 and log base 3. So if you're trying to find something on your calculator with a base that isn't 10 or e, you don't have the ability to do that on your calculator. So sometimes we have to use our calculator to change the base so that we can find these logs with different bases. Okay, so again, the actual button that says log is a log base 10, and the ln, or the natural log, is a log base e. So if we want to switch things from one base to the other, we can use this formula right here. So log base a of x equals log of x, log base 10 of x divided by log base a of x. Now it works for the same for ln, so it doesn't really matter which one you use. If you want to use log base 10, that's cool. If you want to use log base e, that's cool. It works either way, and you'll get the same number. So for this first one, if we want to switch this out of log base 7, so that log base 7 of 112 equals log base 10 of 112 over log base 10 of 7. Or you could put it in your calculator as natural log of 112 over natural log of 7. Either one works. And when you plug those into your calculator, let me look at my cheat sheet, because I plugged these into my calculator before I started this so that we didn't have to do that. Okay, so 2.424 is what you'll get. All right, now if we find the exact value for x, what we're going to do is we're trying to get x by itself, right? So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go log base 3 of 3 to the x plus 2, because that's going to undo that exponential. So now I have log base 3 of 6 because I do the log on both sides. And then those undo each other, and I'm going to have x plus 2 equals log base 3 of 6. And then I subtract 2 from both sides, and so I end up with x equals negative 2 plus log base 3 of 6. Now do you see that I just wrote the negative 2 in front? Because otherwise it looks like I'm putting the negative 2 in the log function, which I'm not. So that's it. That's how we find the x value. And then it says use your calculator to find the decimal for that. Well, we have a problem because we can't put log base 3 into our calculator. So the first thing I want you to do is use your calculator to find what log base 3 of 6 is. So remember, log base 3 of 6 is going to be log base 10 of 6 over log base 10 of 3. So if you put that into your calculator, you figure out what that is. That is one that I did do before as well, but now I'm second guessing myself. Actually, I wrote it down. I wrote down the final answer, but I don't have that. Okay, so when you do log base 10 of 6 divided by log base 10 of 3, you get 1.63. And then, this is 1.6309, some dots. So don't round it, just keep it in your calculator. And then just subtract 2 from that, and you end up with negative 0.369 is your final answer for that. So that's it. That's all of our log review.